In today's episode, you will meet our latest Bay Area innovator, Elle Rustique. Elle is a social scientist, an educator turned startup founder and social entrepreneur, named milestone maker and one of the hot shots disrupting their industries by NASDAQ in 2019.
When I decided to, I call jump from the ivory tower, I really jumped into Silicon Valley. I joke that that's how I got my MBA, was because I attended all the meetups and then just started doing it.
Elle's journey is truly inspiring. From her role as an educator at Stanford University, Elle transitioned to become the CEO of TipBrightly, the company she founded in 2015.
My mother was a housekeeper. When I was growing up, she would take us to McDonald's with her tips. There was a dark time where I thought, I can't do this anymore. There's no one to help, there's no money. And she said to me, look at what you're doing here. They're just like me, you're helping me. And so I thought, okay, I'm really helping women like my mom. We just work hard, we just want extra money. Some money that a woman would most likely spend on their children or their home, because that's what women do with their earnings.
In this episode, we'll explore Elle's perseverance as well as the unique opportunities for learning and growth in Silicon Valley. This is Bay Area Innovators, and I am your host, Steve Espas. Elle, welcome to our program.
Thank you so much for having me, Steve.